Okay, now these are the regular problems past the examples. If you're at home and you're quarantined, or if you just want to use these videos to help you, okay, try to do what you can. Okay, try not to just take everything out of the video and type it in. Try to push yourself to see if you can do parts of it on your own, maybe pausing the video, okay, as you go. Okay, let's look at number 1. Rhoda Ford had her car repaired. The mechanic charged $350 for parts plus $100 per hour for labor. Her total bill was $850. How many hours did it take to fix her car? Okay, so we read the problem. Okay, now try to figure out what it is they're asking you for instead of variable equal to that. Okay, see here it says how many hours did it take? So H, I just chose the variable H because H also, hour starts with the letter H. So H represents the number of hours. Okay, now try to come up with an equation. Okay, start with a relationship. Okay, we have a relationship between the hourly cost, the total cost, and the cost for parts. Okay, just think about how those three things are related. Okay, the hourly cost would have to be added to the cost for parts to be equal to the total cost. Remember, typically the total amount is on the right, and the two things that make up the total, they're added together on the left. Okay, so that's the relationship. Okay, the hourly cost. We need to set expressions equal to these parts. Hourly cost. Okay, look at your problem, see what it has to do with hourly cost. Okay, I see $100 per hour. Okay, that's part of the hourly cost. And I also see that H stands for the number of hours. Okay, so I need to work with both of those. So if I'm getting charged $100 per hour for H hours, okay, think about what that would be. It'd be 100 times H. Okay, the same idea that we did with those data tables. $100 for 1 hour would be 100 times 1. $100 per hour for 2 hours would be 100 times 2. Okay, $100 per hour for H hours would be 100 times H. And so 100 times H would be the hourly cost. The cost for parts, okay, the mechanic charged $350 for parts. Okay, that'd be $350. The total cost, okay, her total bill was $850. So that equation shows the relationship. Now it's just solving the equation. Okay, 100 times H plus 350 equals 850. Okay, we want to get rid of the added or subtracted number first. 350 is added, so we're going to subtract 350. We have to do it to both sides, though. Okay, I'm going to write down what I get after I do that. The 350 minus 350 cancel out. So I'm left with 100H on the left. On the right side, okay, notice I have 850 minus 350. Okay, that's going to be 500. So I have 100 times H equals 500. Okay, get rid of the multiplied 100 by dividing by 100. You got to do that to both sides. Divide both sides by 100. Okay, the 100 divided by 100 cancel because they become 1. 100 divided by 100 is 1. So we're left with 1H on the left. And again, I mistyped the variable. It should have been an H right down there instead of an X. So H equals 500 divided by 100, which would be 5. And now think about the label. H is the number of hours. So the answer would be 5 hours. Okay, double check this in your head. Okay, 5 hours at $100 per hour. Okay, that's a charge of $500. Okay, add to that the parts, $350. Okay, the $500 plus the $350 would give me a total bill of $850. Okay, so 5 hours is the correct answer. Okay, keep me posted with questions if you need any help.